Hello all, welcome to the channel. Today we can check how to use pivot operator dynamically in SQL. So in previous session we have discussed with the pivot operator. We want to find out the country and the corresponding sale amount. So in that case we are using the pivot operator, and after that we are using the aggregate functions, and for the country name we are passing the country names. Okay, so we are passing the country name as hard-coded values. Okay, so we don't want like that. We want to get this data by dynamically. Okay, so how to do that? So in this case we want to use this country. We want to get the distinct value of country also. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so we can use multiple functions. First we can check with string aggregate function. If you don't know string aggregate function, then please check our videos. So in this case we want to get the distinct country. So here we can inner query we can use select distinct country from customer. We are getting India, UK, USA. Next we want to get this data by comma separator. Right? So in this case we can use string aggregate country. After that we can pass comma. Okay, now we are just execute this country list. We are declaring one country list, and after that we have assign this value to this country list. Okay, now we are just executing. Now we are getting India, UK, US. This value we want to pass to other query. So in this case we can declare one more variable, dynamic query, and varchar of max, and after that we can set dynamic query equal to, we can use the same query. Okay, we can use the derived table pivot, and after that sum of sale amount for country in. You want to replace this India, UK by using this country list. Okay, after that we are just execute this query. Okay, now we are just execute this query. Now we are getting the output. India 15,500, UK 11,000, USA 7,500. Okay, so this is by using string aggregate function. Next we can check with Cte function. In this case we can use Cte. First we want to pass this country list plus comma separator value. So for in first case country list is null, so null plus this comma is also null, so we will get empty string. Cte we will get the first non-null value, right? After that we are appending to country. Okay, now we are just executing this query. Now also we are getting comma separator values, India, UK, US. The downside query has no changes. Okay, you can just execute this. Now also we will get the correct output by using Cte function. Next we want to use step and for XML path. Okay, so in this case we can use select. First we want to append this comma separate value plus country with for XML path. You can just execute this query. Okay. Now we are getting comma, and after that we are getting country names India, UK, USA. Okay, so in this case we want to replace the first comma separate value. Okay, so that we are using step function, and this is a starting position and this is the total length, and we want to replace with empty string. This value we are assigning to this country list. So we can just execute. Now also we are getting India, comma UK, comma USA, and we are getting the sale amount also. Okay. Okay, thank you.